Make Japanese Friends the Smart Way, MyLanguageExchange, written by Khatzumoto, posted sometime prior to May of 2007. This is super embarrassing to admit, but when I was in college, I literally used to stalk East Asian looking people. I'd even look through school phone books and other lists of names to find people from Japan. Before you call me an ethnically biased stalker, remember that I effectively did it for you. I was like, I'm going to write a website about this one day, so I'd better take a hit for the team. No, okay, I was looking for people to speak Japanese with. People whose Japanese I could listen to, and whom I could get to correct my Japanese. Not much has changed since then. I'm still looking for Japanese friends, even though I live in Japan. But I'm not in college anymore, so stalking could in fact have me acting out my own version of Prison Break. I could be Michael Schofield and C-Note rolled into one. Back on topic. So there's this site, MyLanguageExchange.com. The color scheme isn't about to win any awards, but that's not what you go there for. It's full of people who actually want to exchange languages. They will help you in your native language if you help them in yours. The site isn't limited to Japanese English either. All kinds of languages and language combinations are welcome. There is a catch. The site is free for passive use, i.e. just waiting on other people to contact you. But if you want to actively contact other users, then it's $6 for 1 month of gold membership. I hate spending money, but it was kind of worth it for a website full of native speakers of Japanese who don't have to be stalked. There are people there that want to be contacted. They want to help and to be helped. They generally aren't casual or half-hearted about it, so you will get replies to your messages. And then, of course, you can continue your friendship via email, voice chat, phone, or whatever. Especially if you're away from universities or Japanese communities. For building a network of Japanese friends, MyLanguageExchange.com is pretty darn good. By the way, if you know of any other reliable and hopefully free websites like this that actually work, feel free to let me and everyone else know.